Hi, I'm Sophie, Head of Marketing at Tanapul, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to improve your CV. A CV is your first chance to impress an employer, so it's important not to fall at this first hurdle. I'm going to be looking at how to turn a bad CV into a good CV to give yourself the best possible chance of standing out. When looking at your CV, it can be broken down into 3 sections. Number 1, structure. At the top, you should have your full name and contact details so the employer can easily find them. There is no need to include your photo or date of birth. Next, you should have clear sections and the content within them should be chronologically ordered. If you're a recent graduate or student, start off with your education as that's a big part of your CV. But if you're not, then lead with your experience. Always leave your skills and interests to the end. When it comes to length, keep your CV to 1 A4 page. The information should be succinct. Keep it functional, not decorative. Number 2, content. For your education section, include your school or college and your GCSE and A-level qualifications. Don't bother listing your GCSE subjects. Don't include your primary school or its address. And for your university, include where you went, what you studied, and what your final result was. In terms of your experience, keep your descriptions short and to the point using bullet points. We recommend using our traffic light method. Red for your job role, orange for what you did and how you did it, green is the outcome and is most relevant to the employer. This candidate has given far more information than necessary, so here's how we've improved it using our traffic light method. Most importantly, remember to tailor the content of your CV to the role. Number 3, formatting. And finally, formatting is essential to giving your CV that professional look. Avoid using any colour unless you're applying to a creative role. Use traditional fonts such as Times New Roman or Arial and be consistent with your text size. Only use a larger text size for your name or any headings. So, after making all these changes, we now have a standout CV that's ready to impress employers. We have some handy templates in our graduate handbook to get you started. For more advice, visit tanapul.com where we can help you to build your career.